Understanding narcoterrorism, a complex global issue. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a challenging but important topic, narcoterrorism. This term may sound complex, but we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what narcoterrorism means and why it's a significant issue in today's world. So, let's dive in. Narcoterrorism is a compound word made up of narcotics and terrorism. It refers to the use of drug trafficking to fund terrorist activities. This concept emerged as drug cartels and terrorist groups found common ground, the need for funding and a disregard for the law. Narcoterrorism poses a unique challenge to global security because it combines the dangers of both drug trafficking and terrorism. Narcoterrorism has far-reaching impacts. Firstly, it undermines the stability of nations, as the profits from drug trafficking are used to fund violent terrorist activities. Secondly, it poses a significant threat to public health, with the widespread distribution of illegal drugs. Lastly, narcoterrorism challenges law enforcement and international relations, as it requires a coordinated global response to effectively tackle both drug trafficking and terrorism. To understand narcoterrorism better, let's look at some historical examples. In the 1980s and 1990s, Colombia faced severe narco-terrorism issues with the Medellin and Cali cartels. These groups not only controlled a large portion of the world's cocaine trade but also carried out terrorist activities to maintain their power. Another example is the Taliban's involvement in opium production in Afghanistan, which has been a significant source of funding for their operations. Addressing narcoterrorism requires international cooperation. Governments and international organizations like the United Nations and Interpol work together to combat both drug trafficking and terrorism. Efforts include intelligence sharing, law enforcement cooperation, and policies aimed at reducing drug demand and supply. Thank you for joining us in exploring the complex world of narcoterrorism. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this critical issue that affects global security and public health. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding such topics helps us become more informed global citizens. See you in our next video.